All right, number one. Function f of x is equal to 65.2 times 1.03 to the power of x. Gives the number of passenger cars in millions in the United States after X years after 1990. Using this model, how many passenger cars will there be in 2025? Show your work and answer using a complete sentence. All right, so this question is worth, all questions in the quiz is worth 4 points. And remember, you have to show your work to earn all 4 points. So here we could see that X is the number of years after 1990. So from 1990 to 2025, that's 35 years. So that's the X value that we're going to substitute. F of 35 is equal to 65.2 times 1.03 to the power of 35. So let's go ahead and do that using the calculator, especially when you have a big exponent like this. Okay, this is approximately, I get a decimal, it's approximately 183.5. Now, this is not 183 cars, this is 183 million cars. So this is what we're going to write when we write our answer in a complete sentence. So in 2025, there will be about 183.5 million passenger cars. All right, number two, are the following functions exponential or linear? Again, you have to show your work. So I'm going to make a table. So 5, 100, 750, 925, and 11, 12.5. I could see that the y values are going down. They're multiplying by 1/2. Half of 100 is 50, half of 50 is 25, and half of 25 is 12.5. So this makes it exponential. For B, 510, 715, 920, 1125. So here we could see that we're adding 5 each time. So this makes it a linear function. If you're adding by the same amount, it's linear. If you're multiplying, it's exponential. And each one of these is worth 4 points. You have to show your work to get full credit. Number 3, graph each exponential function. Okay. Oops. So I'll make a table. Start with the negative number. So we'll start at -2. 2 to the power of -2 is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. So -2 1/4 is all the way down here. So just make sure you read the graph correctly. Going up and down, this is going up by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. On the x-axis, 0, this is -1. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when x is -1, 2 to the -1 power is 1 over 2, which is above there. When x is 1, 2 to the first power is 2, which is here. When x is 2, 2 to the second power is 4, which is here. And I'm just going to do one more. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Just up here. Connect these with nice smooth curve. Oh, I think I missed one. Hold on. Yeah, let's go back. Okay. Have -2, 1/4, -2, 1/2. 0, 1 is here, and then 1, 2 is here. 2, 4, and then 3. There you go. Much better. Connect these with a smooth curve. Alrighty. And this is worth 4 points. Make sure you need to create a table, graph the points, and graph. Okay, you need to show all of that. 4 points. This is worth 4 points. Just make a table here. -1, I mean 1/3 to the -2 power. You use a calculator for this to get 9. So -2, 9 is up here. Next is -1, 1/3 to the -1 power is 3. So -1, 3. And next is 0, 1/3 to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. 1/3 to the first power is 1/3. We'll do one more. 1/3 to the second power is 1/9. Should be way down here. It's going smaller and smaller and smaller. Again, you have to show all your work to get full credit. All right, last part, number 4, simplify. Your answer should contain only positive exponents. Again, all of these are worth 4 points. All right, for letter A, the regular big 2's, you go ahead and multiply those. 2 times 2 is 4. Next, we're multiplying numbers with the same base. So you add their exponents. So x technically has an exponent of 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And then for the y, 2 plus 4 is 6. And that's your answer. For letter B, this is a power of a power. So you're going to multiply the 3 that's on the outside with each exponent on the inside. Remember, 4 has an exponent. It has an exponent of 1. So you're going to multiply the 3 times all of those. So you have 4 to the third, x to the 12, y to the 9. And you have to simplify 4 to the third. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. That's your answer. And then last one, letter C. This is the quotient rule. When you're dividing numbers with the same base, you subtract the exponents. Okay, the 2, it's the only regular number, so I'll just leave it up there. There's nothing dividing it. Now for the y to the 4th divided by y to the 2nd, you subtract those. So 4 minus 2, you get 2. And the x, since there's nothing else to simplify with, you just write it in the bottom. Sit there. That's it.